Good morning, everyone. Have you ever tried reading a novel in English, but gave up halfway because it felt like a chore?
We've all been there, but what if the secret to mastering English wasn't in the textbook, but inside a chocolate factory?
We are Mira and Jasmine. Today we're sharing our self-learning project based on the classic novel, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
You might ask, why read a novel? Why not just use a vocabulary book?
Our project is based on Stephen Cashing's input hypothesis. It suggests that we're learning languages best through comprehensible input, material that is interesting and just slightly above our current level.
It's about moving from textbook English to authentic English, learning how native speakers actually express emotions and humor.
Our learning process has 3 steps. First, we read through the chapter once without stopping. Second, we collect new vocabulary in a notebook. Finally, we checked our reading time and comprehension level.
After setting the method, we needed a plan to make sure we finished on time. We created the study schedule. Since there are 30 chapters in total, we set a clear goal, reading 5 chapters per week. This timeline kept us from having the habit of regular reading.
Our goal was to finish all 30 chapters while checking our reading speed and comprehension. But the most important part was our dialogue analysis. Here is our vocabulary note. Instead of just memorizing, we use context-based learning to acquire phrases like save up or shriveled.
To show you how this works, we're going to perform a short scene from the book between Mr. Wonka and the children.
My dear children, don't just stand there shriveled as a prawns. Step forward. My mouth is watering like mad, just thinking about the inventions we should see.
Wait, Mr. Wonka, are you pulling my leg? Or are we really going in?
Before we started this project, we might have struggled with these lines. We would have asked, why are they prawns? Or is he literally pulling someone's leg?
But through this study, we learned that shriveled as prunes describes being thin and wrinkled, and pulling my leg is a vivid way to say joking. This is the power of learning in context.
Before this project, we couldn't understand this dialogue, but now we've acquired this idiom naturally through repeated exposure.
If you look at our efficiency chart, our reading fluency improved significantly. In the beginning, we were slow, but by the end, we surpassed the AI suggested speed. This proves the consistent input leads to faster processing.
We also categorized our findings into textbook English versus novel English. Instead of saying he was very hungry, the novel used his mouth was watering like mad. Instead of the air smelled like chocolate, it says the air was scented with the heavy, rich smell of melting chocolate. It wasn't always easy. We faced challenges like rodents, invented words, and tight schedules.
We overcame this through micro-reading, reading in short bursts, and using context clues to guess meanings instead of stopping from a dictionary every time.
In conclusion, this project gave us a massive confidence boost. We no longer fear long English tests.
Our next step, we're heading straight into the sequel, Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. Thank you for listening.